Here are 10 things to know about Seven Shores in Naples, Florida. My name is Mindy Sylvester, and I've been selling real estate in Naples area for over 26 years. I've sold over 150 new construction homes, over 900 homes total. So if you're thinking about buying, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you'll be the first to know about the latest information in the Naples area. And of course, if you're thinking about buying new construction, please contact me first before you go to the builder site or the sales center. Because if you go to the sales center without me, I can't represent you. And the builder pays our compensation. And you do not get a credit if you do not have a realtor. They don't say, well, let's reduce the price for you because you didn't have a realtor. It doesn't work that way. So make sure you have representation because I can help you make decisions that are going to largely impact your resale value. I've seen so many people make so many mistakes because they just didn't have the guidance. That builder, that agent at the sales center represents the builder. So you need someone to represent you. So contact me first. Okay, let's talk about Seven Shores. It is a beautiful resort style community. And let's talk about 10 facts. Number one, Seven Shores has some of the largest lake views in all of Collier County. It is situated on a former quarry and $10 million views. That's all I'm going to say. Absolutely mesmerizing. I am getting a new listing for around the $2.5 million range. It is spectacular. I'm telling you, you do not see views like this. There's only a handful of communities in all of Naples that have a view like this, unless you want to spend like 10 or 15 million dollars, but you don't have to get this amazing view. Most of our views are small lake views. The builders still charge like 100 or $200,000 for a premium, but this is an actual huge lake view. You will absolutely, I can't describe it. You will absolutely be mesmerized. Number two, Seven Shores is built by Toll Brothers. Toll Brothers has a very good reputation. They are a nationwide builder. They do a really great job. Definitely one of the top builders in the area. Number three, the community type consists of single family homes and twin villas. They have over 15 different floor plans from 1,500 square feet to almost 5,000 or maybe even a little bit over 5,000 square feet. They have some massive homes in there. Absolutely gorgeous floor plans. Number four, I think I mentioned this already, but they have 15 different floor plans. But what I like about this is that when a community offers a lot of different floor plans, then the community doesn't feel so cookie cutter. Some communities have like three or four different floor plans and every home starts to look the same. You come home after a few drinks and you're like, hey, which one's my house? But they have a lot of different floor plans and your next door neighbor can't have the same exterior colors and things like that. So a little variety within the neighborhood, which I really like. Number five, Seven Shores has a beautiful amenity center. They have two separate fitness areas, one with like TRX equipment, boxing gym or boxing equipment, stretching area. They have another section with cardio equipment, weights. They have a locker room, putting green. Number six, if you like sports courts, they have three pickleball courts and one tennis court and a putting green. There's also a little yoga lawn so you can do outdoor yoga when it's beautiful, like 75 degrees outside in the winter. So lots of activities, lots of great things to do in Seven Shores. Number seven, there are going to be 405 homes in the community when it's finished. So it's a very low density community. If you like a quieter community, if you don't like the big communities that have like 2,000 homes with crowded fitness centers and things like that, you will love Seven Shores because only 405 homes, a lot of the homes, especially the single family homes, have their own pool. So there may not be a lot of people, especially in the summer when a lot of the snowbirds have gone back home. You may go to the fitness center and there may only be one or two people there, and you might even be the only person there. So if you like a quieter community, you will love Seven Shores. Number eight, as of right now, now this can change, but as of this recording of the video, you can get a single family home for $600,000 with a 2.5 car garage. Yes, it is gorgeous. It is a three-bedroom home. Now that is the base price. So you would have to include the lot price on top of that, but they still do, as of right now, have some very low premium lots. So if you're looking for a $600,000 home, you might be in luck to be able to get a brand new home in Seven Shores. But those prices are going up, so make sure you contact me pretty quickly. Number nine, the location. It is located off 951, which is also called Collier Boulevard in East Naples. It is just a quick drive, like 2 miles from exit 101. It is about 20 minutes to downtown, maybe 25, but I drive fast. But 20 to 25 minutes to downtown, obviously depending on the time of year as well. And a lot of things coming up in that area, a lot of restaurants popping up. I love South Naples because it's not nearly as congested as North Naples. North Naples, the traffic is so busy. While Southeast Naples is definitely growing because we can only grow east, right? So either the Northeast or the Southeast. The Northeast has thousands and thousands of homes being built, so it's definitely more congested. And the Southeast is growing, but still much less congested than North Naples. And number 10, the fees. Seven Shores has very reasonable HOA fees. Depending on the type of home, there are three different collections. So depending on the type of home, right now the fees are between $310 and $330 a quarter. That includes your lawn landscaping, the guard at the gate, the common area ground maintenance. That includes your alarm to monitor your alarm, and I think I said landscaping. Did I say landscaping? It's the landscaping. There's also a CDD. That's a community development district. Most communities with large amenity centers have a CDD. That is when the builder takes out a loan and it places it as a bond, and the community owner, the homeowners, pay it back on their tax bill. So again, depending on the collection of home you have, it is between $3,047 and around $4,500. So I'll get you that specific information based on which type of home that you're interested in. So those are the top 10 things about Seven Shores. Of course, call me for more information. I will give you more photos, floor plans, the latest pricing, all the information that you need to help decide if Seven Shores is the right community for you. So thank you so much for watching. Give me a call. I look forward to helping you find the perfect home in Naples. Have a great day.